Supreme Court Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has recused himself from hearing a contempt petition against stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra. Mr. Kamra faces contempt charges for his tweets about a Supreme Court order that granted bail to TV anchor Arnab Goswami in 2020 in a suicide case 2 years before that. Since he was among the judges who had given that order, Justice Chandrachud said he would not be part of the hearing into the case against Mr. Kamra. Kunal Kamra had put out multiple tweets raging over the Supreme Court's granting interim bail to Republic TV's Arnab Goswami a week after his arrest over the suicide of an architect, Anvay Nayak, and his mother in 2018. One of the top leaders in focus as opposition struggled to unite for the 2024 Lok Sabha contest against the BJP, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is likely to start a nationwide outreach to other leaders next month. "I will surely do that after the assembly session is over," he told reporters in Valmiki Nagar, with the BJP in perpetual campaign mode to seek a third term for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra set to conclude later this month. JDU leader Nitish Kumar's outreach will be the second leg of his latest binding drive. The big election is just about 15 months away. The Ram Temple in Ayodhya will be ready by January 1, 2024, Union Home Minister Amit Shah told reporters in Tripura today, penciling a strong beginning for the election year. The general elections are due in 2024 and the opening of the temple is expected to be a milestone for the ruling BJP, which counts the temple movement as the fulcrum for its emergence as a national electoral force in 1990s. The Congress hindered the construction of Ram Temple in courts after the Supreme Court verdict came. Prime Minister Narendra Modi began the construction of the temple, Mr. Shah said. In November, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had said that the construction of the temple had crossed the halfway mark and it would be ready by December this year. Strongly disapproving Air India's handling of Mumbai man urinating on women passenger on a flight and walking without facing any action, the aviation regulator today said the airline's conduct was unprofessional and led to systematic failure. The Director General of Civil Aviation has issued notice to the airline's top officials, the pilot of the flight, and the crew, asking them to reply within 2 weeks why they should not be punished. On November 26, Mumbai businessman Shankar.Mr allegedly unzipped and urinated on an elderly woman in the business class of Air India flight from New York to Delhi. Shockingly, when the flight landed, Shankar.Mr was allowed to leave without any repercussions. Air India didn't complain to the police until this week, only after a woman's letter to the group chairman of Air India and Chandrachud surfaced. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has written to Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena over the unconstitutional manner in which 10 elder men are nominated to the Municipal Corporation of Delhi by bypassing the Delhi government, saying this was complete departure from the settled practice. In a related development, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has also written to the Commissioner of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, asking them to desist from taking any further action on the issue. Eldermen refers to people who are experts in their fields. However, they do not have voting rights in the mayoral election. 10 eldermen were nominated to MCD ahead of the mayoral poll. Senior Maharashtra Congress leader and former MP Hussain Dalwai has made a controversial statement against the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister over his saffron outfit, saying that the latter should wear modern clothes. Don't talk about religion every day, do not wear saffron clothes, and become a little modern. Embrace modern ideas, Mr. Dalwai said. Coming down heavily on UP CM, who is on a 2-day visit to Mumbai to draw domestic investors ahead of the Global Investor Summit to be held in Lucknow next month. The Congress leader said that Yogi should develop new industries in his own state instead of taking industries from Maharashtra.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.